Meantime, two Filipino doctors in Toronto are changing the way kids learn science by staging events to show how fun and interesting science can be beyond the textbook. Rachel Cruz has more.
Welcome to the Pueblo Science Show.
It's science made fun, thanks to Filipino doctors Mayro Salvador and Dr. Cynthia Go. The two doctors founded Pueblo Science, a local nonprofit organization working to raise science literacy in underprivileged communities in Canada and the developing world.
I come from the northern Philippines. It's a small village in Ilocos Norte, and I grew up there, and I actually see a lot of practices that, with proper knowledge would have been avoided, that's affecting the life of people there, like for example their health, or lots of people still burn forests even up to these days. So I think so that got me thinking about trying to educate the kids at a younger age for them to be able to make better decisions when they actually grow up.
Dr. Go is from Palawan. She says the time spent there was an inspiration for Pueblo Science.
So I actually volunteered to work with the school then, and then that summer I created a summer camp for the kids. So I did that for a couple of years, and then the teachers from the barrios, they came. And they were very enthusiastic, and they wanted to observe the kids. And that's when I thought, no, we should really do some work with the teachers. How we can make things affordable and hands-on.
U of T students with science backgrounds volunteer to work with the organization.
Primarily here, it's just been about doing science demonstrations for both adults and youth, and then creating science kits that we can bring overseas.
Like traveling caravans, Pueblo Science goes to many places. One of them was the Family Sundays at Heart House, showcasing curious kids love science experiments. Just like Harry Potter's invisible cloak, Dr. Salvador shows a magic trick and explained how the speed of light affects what is seen or unseen.
These days with Pueblo Science, we try to relate anything that we teach to the kids or to the teachers with things that they see around them, for them to be able to understand the world that's surrounding them better.
6 volunteers from Pueblo Science will be heading back to the Philippines from April to May of this year, and their first stop will be in Palawan, Batanes, and Ilocos Norte. These science educators will be training teachers on how to develop a more fun and engaging science lessons using locally available materials. Rachel Cruz, ABS CBN News, Toronto.